Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 6 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 2 Exponents. Question number 1. Minus x to the power minus 3 upon y to the power 3 whole power 2 by 3 multiply by x to the power 3 upon y to the power minus 3 whole power minus 2 by 3 is equal to. So we have to find this equal to. So first we will just write x by x to the power minus 3 and by 3 is power to the whole of this fraction. So what we will do? So we will multiply. Actually power to the power will be multiplied. So minus 3 multiplied by 2 by 3 upon y to the power 3 multiply by 2 by 3. Okay. Multiply x to the power 3 multiply by minus 2 by 3 upon y to the power minus 3 multiply by minus 2 by 3. Okay, now we can simplify here. 3 will cancel, 3 cancel. 3 cancel, 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 cancel. Okay, now x to the power minus 2 multiply by minus 1 upon y to the power 2 into x to the power minus 2 upon y to the power minus 2 multiply by minus 1, so 2. Okay, so we can see x to the power minus 2 into x to the power minus 2. So powers will be added. X to the power minus 4 upon y to the power plus 4. So this is in your option number C. The first answer is option C. Come to the question number 2. Which among the following is not equal to 1? So let's solve the question. Option number A, 2 to the power 8 multiply by, we can write 32 as the 2 to the power 5. Okay. Now 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3 multiply by 1024 can be written as 2 to the power 10. So now bases are same, exponents will be added. So 2 to the power 13 upon 2 to the power 13, that is equal to 1. So A cannot be the answer. Come to the option B. 2 minus 2 to the power 6. So I can write here minus 2 to the power 6 or 2 to the power 6. Both will be same as the power is an even number. And 2 to the power minus 4. So here power will be added to plus minus minus 4. Divide by 2 to the power 8. I can write here because power is in even number. So your base can change its sign. Okay. Upon 2 to the power 6. Now 2 to the power 2 divide by 2 to the power 8 minus 6. Power will be subtracted as the bases are same and it is in the form of division. So power will be subtracted. So 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2. Answer should be 1. B will not be the answer. Okay. Come to the option number C. 3 to the power 1 by 3 and 3 to the power minus 11 by 3. Since we can see here bases are same, so powers will be added. Minus 1 by 3 plus minus 11 by 3. That is your minus 12 by 3. So I can write here 3 to the power minus 12 by 3 upon 81. We can write 3 to the power 4 multiply by 3 to the power minus 8. Here 3 4s are 12. So 3 to the power minus 4 upon 3 to the power minus 4. Why it is so? Because 4 plus minus 8 equal to minus 4 equal to 1. C could not be the answer. Come to the option D. Option D is 3 to the power minus 5 by 4 and 3 to the power minus 15 by 4. Powers will be added, bases are same. So 3 to the power minus 20 by 4 upon 9 to the power, to 9 I can write it 3 to the power 2 to the power minus 2. Okay, so 3 will be your minus 5, 4 5s are 20 upon 3 to the power minus 4. Here it is 3 to the power minus 5 and here it will be minus 4, that is your plus 4. So 3 to the power minus 1, this is your 1 by 3, which is not equal to 1. So option D should be the answer. Second answer is option D. Okay. Come to the question number 3. The standard form of a number, this is. How can we write the standard form? Standard form can be written as in terms of the power of 10. Okay. So if I will put the decimal here, 5.6789 multiply by 10 to the power. How many digits? After how many digits I have put the decimal? After 4 digits, it should be 10 to the power 4. So 5.6789 multiplied by 4. That is in the option number C. The third answer will be C. Come to the question number 4. Which one among the following is correct? So 5 plus 5 ka power 5 equal to 5 to the power 5 plus 5 to the power 5. No, it cannot be possible. Okay? If it is here, it will be multiplication. Then it will be possible. But it is not possible. Wrong. 3 to the power 5 is less than 5 to the power 3. You can check 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are 3 1 are 3, 8 3s are 24, 43. And 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. That is your 125. No, it is also wrong. 1 billion equal to 10 to the power 9. So how many zeros are there in the option C? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, and then billion. How many zeros should be there? To 10 to the power 9. Yes, C option is correct. 1 hour equal to 3600 minutes. No, it should be 3600 seconds. The fourth answer is option C. Question number 5. Which one among the following is correct statement? A to the power m plus a to the power m equal to a to the power 2m. No, it should be 2a to the power m. Okay, it should be 2a to the power m. But a power cannot be added in addition. Now a to the power p plus a to the power q equal to a to the power pq. No. If the bases are same, powers will be added to a to the power p plus q. It should be. 4 to the power 6 is greater than the 8 to the power 5. So we can write in the option C, we can write 4 as 2 to the power 2 and then 6. So it will be your 2 to the power 12 and 2 to the power 3 to the power 5. I have written 8 as the 2 to the power 3 and to the whole power 5. So this is your 2 to the power 15. Okay. So which one will be greater? 2 to the power 15 means 8 to the power 5 will be greater. So this is also wrong. A wrong, B wrong and C wrong. 2 to the power n is greater than n square. So 2 to the power n, let's understand it with an example. Suppose n equal to 3, as it is mentioned, n should be greater than 2. So 2 to the power n, 2 to the power 3, it means 8, and n square, 3 to the power 2. So 3 3s are 9. 8 is not greater than 9. This is also wrong. Option should be E. Fifth answer is option E. Okay. Come to the question number 6. Which one among the following is largest? So since we can see these are the numbers in terms of their exponents. Okay. How can we compare these numbers? We can compare these numbers when either the bases are same or the exponents are same. So here all the exponents are in fraction, terms of the fraction. So we can make the fractions equivalent. Okay. So first write the exponents here only. 1 by 12, 1 by 6, 1 by 4, 1 by 16, and 1 by 6. We have to find the LCM of these denominators. If you find the LCM of these denominators, you will find LCM as 48. So make all the fractions with the denominator 48. 48 and 12 fours are 4, it will be 48, 6 8s are 8, it will be 48, 12 to 12, and then 16 to 48, 16 3s are, it will be 3, and 48, 6 8s are, it will be your 8. Okay? Now write the numbers in the exponential form. 3 to the power 4 by 48. I can write 3 to the power 4 by 1 by 48. Next is 6 to the power 1 by 6. I can write 8 by 48, which can be rewritten in the form of 6 to the power 8 to the power 1 by 48. Third one is 9 to the power 1 by 4. It means 12 by 48. It is your uh, it is your 9 to the power 12 whole power 1 by 48. Okay. Now 2 to the power 1 by 6. So 2 to the power 3 by 48, which can be written as 2 to the power 3 to the power 48. And the last one is your 5 to the power 3 by 8 by 48. 8 by 48, as it is 1 by 6. So 5 to the power 8 power 1 by 48. Okay. Now we can see all the exponents are same. So which number, the number having the greatest base will be the largest one. So which one has the greatest base? 3 to the power 4, 6 to the power 8, 9 to the power 12, 2 to the power 3, 5 to the power 8. Here the first exponent and base both are bigger. It means this number will be bigger. So 9 to the power 1 by 4 is the bigger one. Option number C. Sixth answer is option C. Question number 7. The value of this plus this upon this plus 1 is equal to. So 100 to the power 98 plus 100 to the power 100. So what we can write here? We can write here 100 to the power 98 plus 100 to the power 100. We can break it as 100 to the power 98 multiply by 100 to the power 2 upon 100 to the power 98. Since 100 to the power 98 is available in both the terms, so we can take out the common 100 to the power 98. 1 plus 100 to the power 2, we can write it as 10,000 upon, sorry, here plus 1 is also there, plus 1. So 100 to the power 98. Cancel out. This is your 1000, 1 plus 1, that is your 1 0 0 0 2. This is in your 1 0 0 2. Seventh answer is B. Come to the question number 8. Find the value of k where k is an integer in the form, in the equation given here. So 2 to the power k plus 5 multiply by 6 to the power 2k minus 3 equal to 3 to the power minus 8, and we can write 12 as 2 to the power 2 multiply by 3 to the power 6 multiply by 2 to the power 3 multiply by 2 multiply 3. Okay, now try to take all the common bases first. So I can write 2 to the power k plus 5 and here multiply by, can I write 6 as 2 to the power 6 as 2 multiply 3? So it will be your 2 to the power 2k plus 3 multiply by 3 to the power 2k minus 3. Sorry, it should be minus 3 here, not plus 3. Minus 3. Okay. Now 3 to the power minus 8 upon 6 2s are 12. 2 to the power 12. Multiply by 3 to the power 6. Multiply by 2 to the power 3. Multiply by 2. Multiply by 3. Okay. Now powers of the same basis will be added. Okay. Or subtracted. So 2k plus 5 and 2k minus 3. So 2k plus k, 3k. It will be here 3k and plus 2. Multiply by 3 to the power 2k minus 3. Okay. Okay. Now I will write 2 power of 2. 2 to the power 12 plus 3, 15 plus 1, 16. So 2 to the power minus 16. Because in the denominator it is as the plus 16. I am writing it in the numerator. 2 to the power minus 16. Multiply by 3 to the power minus 8, minus 6 and minus 1. So minus 15. 3 to the power minus 15. We can see we can equalize 2 to the with the same base. This will be equalizes with this one and this one will be with this one. So we can write, I'm writing here 3k plus 2 equal to minus 16. So this implies k equal to minus 16 minus 2 minus 18 and 3 6 are 18 to minus 6. Comparing the another basis, we can write 2k minus 3 equal to minus 15. This implies k equal to minus 15 plus 3. Minus 12 and 2 6 are 12. That is your minus 6. So k equal to minus 6 and we have to find the value of k. That is in the option number B. Eighth answer will be option B. Ninth one. 2 to the power 2002 minus 2 to the power 1996 minus 2 to the power 1992 plus 2 to the power 1991 equal to this one. Find the value of k. Okay. So we can see 2 to the power 1991 here. And here last one is the 2 to the power 1991. So what we will do, we will just write 2 to the power 2002 as 2 to the power 1991 multiply by 2 to the power 2002 minus 1991. 1, 10, 9, 1, 0, 0, 11. So we can write 2 to the power 11 because after addition we will get the same number. Minus 2 to the power 1991 multiply by 2 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power, sorry, again minus it is, minus the power 1991 multiply by 2 plus 2 to the power 1991 equal to k multiply by 2 to the power 1991. Now we can take out common as 2 to the power 1991 because it is available in all the terms. Next will be your 2 to the power 11 minus 2 to the power 5 minus 2 plus 1 equal to k into 2 to the power 1991. Both side it is available to cancel out. Now k equal to minus 2 plus 1. So 2 to the power 11 minus 2 to the power 5 minus 1. On simplification, we will get equal to 2015. You can multiply 2 11 times and 2 5 times and subtract it. So you will get 2015. Okay. Now next question is number 10. A square plus B square plus C square equal to 4AC. Then find the value of this. So we can write 4 to the power A upon BC multiply by 4 to the power B upon AC multiply by 4 to the power C upon AB. Now we can see the bases are same, so exponents will be added. So 4 to the power A by BC plus B by AC plus C by AB. If I will take the common LCM, common multiple of ABC, AC and AB, so I will find ABC as the common multiple. ABC is the LCM of these numbers. Now BC, it will be your A square plus AC, so it will be your B square plus AB, it will be your C square. And I can write 4 and it is given A square plus B square plus C square equal to 4ABC. So I am writing 4ABC upon ABC. Now ABC cancel out. So 4 to the power 4. 4 4 are 16, 16 4 are 64, 64 4 are 246. Option D. So 10th answer is option D. Question number 11. The least value of this is. So least value among means least value, which one is the smallest one? We have to check. So to make the number smallest, we will make all the bases as the same. Okay? So 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3 and 2 the whole power 28. So it will be your 2 to the power 24 carry to 84. 2 to the power 84. Okay. Now 5 1 2 to the power 9. 5 1 2 can be written as 2 to the power 9. So 2 to the power 9 upon again 9. So 2 to the power 81 it is. Okay. Now next one is your root 2 to the power 182. Root 2 can be written as 1 by 2 multiply by 182. This is your 2 to the power, sorry, it should be 182 only. 8, 2, so 2 9s are and 2 1s are. Okay. Next is your 4 to the power 42. So we can write 2 to the power 2 whole power 42. So 2 to the power 84. Okay. Now 32 to the power 16. So 32 can be written as 5 in terms of 5. Now to the power 16. So 2 to the power 80. Okay. Now check which one is the bigger. This one, this one, this one, this one, or this one. The question is asking about the least value. So which power is less here? 84, 81, 91, 84 and 80. 80 is the least. So it means this term will be the least and this term is your 32 to the power 16. This is in the option number D. 11th answer will be D. Come to the question number 12. What should be multiplied to 3 to the power minus 9 so that the product may be equal to this? So what should be multiplied? So 3 to the power minus 9 multiply by, suppose it is x equal to 2187. So this is your, how can we write 2187 in terms of the power of 3? Okay, so now it can be written as in terms of power of 3 as 7. So 3 to the power minus 9 multiply by x equal to 3 to the power 7. This implies x equal to 3 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power minus 9. Since it is division, so powers will be subtracted. So 3 to the power 7 minus 9, that is your plus 9, to 3 to the power 16. Answer should be 3 to the power 16, that is in the option number B. So 12th answer is option B. Question number 13. Which one among the following statement is true? 6 to the power 5 or 5 to the power 6? For the value, we can check it in two ways. Either we can solve this exponent form. 6 will be multiplied 5 times. 6 multiply 6 multiply 6 multiply 6 multiply 6 in this way. Or we can say if the exponent are bigger, and the base is smaller, so the number which has the bigger exponent will be generally bigger number. Generally, it is not applicable for all the number. If you check with 2, it will not be applicable. But for most of the number, we can say the number having bigger exponent will be bigger. So here exponent is 5, here exponent is 6. So this will be, and number should be consecutive, or the difference between the base should be less. So it is 5 and here it is 6. So this will be greater? No, it is wrong. Okay? 2 to the power 12 and 12 to the power 3. So this one is bigger? No. Since exponent is bigger here, we can see exponent is bigger here, it can't be possible. Now 4 to the power 6 and 6 to the power 4. So we can say 4 to the exponent is bigger here and here exponent is smaller. It can be the answer 3 to the power 6 and 6 to the power 3. Again exponent is smaller, it should be smaller and it is written bigger. It is also not the answer. So 13th answer will be C. Either you can solve the exponent or you can check by checking their exponents only. Okay. Question number 14. If p to the power q equal to q to the power p, then find pq plus qq, where p and q are distinct natural numbers. So we can see p to the power cube and q to the power p. When it is possible? It is possible when value of p is 2 and value of q is 4. We just think and write it. P, so if 2 to the power 4, that is your 16, and 4 to the power 2, this is your 16. So we can see p to the power 2, p equal to 2 and q equal to 4. We have to find p cube plus q cube equal to 2 to the power 3 plus 4 to the power 3. 8 plus 64. That is your 72. Option A is the answer. 14th answer is option A. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. you can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.